So hey guys, what's up? Yes, a girl got a new hairstyle and thing, something new to start school year. Well, when you see this, I've already started, but yeah, something new to start the school year with. And yeah, today, yes, that's something to get used to. It's like constantly getting in my hair, in my mouth, and it's long. But yeah, let me not ramble anymore. We're gonna do a little tutorial, a little fun tutorial. And yeah, let's get right into it. I have nothing else to say. So, vamos pues. Okay, you guys, here we have it, the final look. This wasn't exactly what I was going for, but it worked. It worked. As I said, sometimes you can take your hand turn fashion and it come out looking good. Yeah. So I did this and I'm liking it. I'm actually liking it. Like, one of my things was come out of my comfort zone with makeup. And we're working it. Oh guys, sorry for the whole heap of chewing and stuff, but gum is my thing. And yeah, I just try it sometimes. But yes, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, and if I ever forget to tell you, just remember that. Well,